In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set your price alert on Binance. Let's get started. First, launch your Binance app on your device. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now search for the coin you want to track. Navigate to the trade page. Now select the coin, for example BTC or USDT. Now at the top right, you're going to find these icons. You'll need to click on that. With that, different options will appear. At the bottom left, you're going to find the option of alert icon. You'll need to click on that. Now you can create your custom alert. Choose price above if you want to be notified when the price rises, or select price below if you want to know when the price drops. Enter the exact price point where you want the alert to trigger. Next, select the frequency of the notification. You can pick options like notify once, notify every time the condition is met, or set it to remind you twice a day. Once you have customized everything, tap Create Alert. Your Binance Price Alert is now active. It's that simple, and that's it. Now you'll never miss an important price movement on Binance. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.